What's up, everybody? This is Leon once again, and today we're going to start putting together a computer from scratch. We got our parts here in front of us. From left to right, we got the Gigabit A320M S2H motherboard. We have a V-Color DDR4 8 gigabit stick of RAM. We have our Cylon RGB Flow Mid Tower for the case, and we have a Kingston. Yes, man, we have the Kingston 240 gigabit storage. That's SSD for you all. And we're also working with a Ryzen 3 with the graphics included. For power, we're just using the 430 watt Thermaltake TR2 series. If you want to see prices for all these, I got all this on Amazon. You want to see prices, check the description below and prices will be there. Keep on watching and we'll go through this together. Here we go. We're going to do an unboxing of this Cylon RGB Flow Mid Tower case. We are using this for our computer build. We're going to build a budget computer, the best thing for the lowest price. So here we go. I got my handy dandy blade. Don't do as I do. Always open away from me. I know I've talked about that before. I don't know where my other blade went. One of my ladies got hold of it and has not returned it. But now we're going to have the pièce de résistance. It's in there. This is very light. This is a very light case. And I'm gonna kind of stay out the way so that you can see it as it comes out. We'll pull it out like we pull out the printers. Lay it down and slide. All right. We are gonna, static. YouTube tossed that guy. We're pulling off styrofoam here. And I want to send a shout out to Kenneth Carter, who is behind the camera for me right now. You can say hello to the people.
Hello, everybody.
This build is actually for him. So this is his case, and voila. All right. This, like I said, this case has an LED going down here. It's a diagonal LED. It has ports on the top. This is the, what is this? This is the, where's the power? This is the power. This is LED. This is a port. This is a little spot for your headphones to turn them on and off and mute. This is where you plug them in. Of course, you got your USB 3 and your USB 2 indicator lights and SD memory cards and sticks. It has a mini SD SAN and the larger one. All right, this is like I said, it's very lightweight. This is plastic here. This is up top. It's metal. It's steel. Right side, you can hear that steel as well. And it has the acrylic glass side case. All right, I should be able to turn these with my hand. Yes, indeed. From here, it looks like it has lots of space on the inside. I may not be able to turn this one by hand. That's fine. We got screwdrivers everywhere. Screwdrivers everywhere. Gonna take our time because we don't want to break any glass. Yes. All right. So that, oh, It's actually plexiglass. Hey, so it's safe. Kids can kick a ball and it most likely won't crack. You see, it's very flexible. So that's a good thing. That means if you move, when you move, good to go. As you can see, it has lots of space in here. It comes with let's turn it right down. It comes with a 120 millimeter fan, 120 millimeter fan for exhaust and cooling. Battery goes down here, and of course the battery has exhaust going out the back. That's where the battery will release its exhaust, and it has lots of room for cable management. It has thumb screws on the top and bottom to take off this side panel for cable management. Ooh, look at that. That's nice. It has an exhaust filter on the top. This came off. It goes on by magnet. Boom. It sticks on there. It'll filter out dust. Keep dust from getting on the inside. That's nice. I like that. And also, a fan will fit up in there. Yeah, you can screw a fan in there and have another outtake or intake fan up in there. All right. Well, that's the case. Post screws. I almost forgot to mention that. Post screws, zip ties for cable management, and cables for the display. All right, it's got our DIMM and all that. Our RGB, it's got all of our SATA cables. Well, our USB cables, I'm sorry. Yes. We're gonna have a good time with this one. Yes, sir. All right, that's the case. If you like what you're seeing here, like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring that notification bell for updates to when new videos are coming out. Be on the lookout for the rest for this build, if you want to see how to do that. And may the Lord bless you and keep you. Peace out.